All right, Adape. Yabeko so adi nkomo. Ede wukoi eya wo haw ne sen. Ti Ababa region no emu last week. Se said mani say. Oh wa dia Afro catchers oh. Aha de hu se adwuma ahya ase. Eno na ma ye nije. Aha ye hu se adwuma ahya ase ye hu se contractor basite. Be also so kanian se de ye kakra. Na Nkwantabisa monka ncho mu area bi wa mu duma no maso. De ama rehwo ye me ya de se. Aso man ya chinchim yansa agisika a yanka hwe. Ewo fuel sika so se. Ni nyina ase energy sector ni be yeyi. Kania be gina so. Enti saa dia auto liter bi a yenyo 1 Ghana wo so. Sika obaboaboa no agu opa so kania. Ow. I don't know what is wrong with that so. PRC for say ekofo be kan ya no magi atum. Quarterly adjustment ni atum. Ama ECG for say munya ska kakra kan VR netco. Munya ska kan. Ya say jeje 1 Ghana tutu say levy nti. Eka wo say be ya ye de betua ka ni nyina. The over liter bia and the number of liters are egu tanker baku bia mu. And the number of tankers e call OMCs no wa. And to check per liter bia sika ye nya wo so within a month. See how the check ka be ya one I do on kanin do mu power. And so still some rekwa nye hu amane o kaniem. Ghana binim say duabo say ye dey yo because say minim ya hard working engineers ya qualified engineers ya contractors adwuma ne ba ye dom ko site bom koye aso kania ne de ma dwe wa metiase e ho de draining us they are draining us Ghana for pa de fo edom de liter to so yanka 1 Ghana 2 liter so yanka we eso se wo kai pa na be kan kra che ho a se kania de dum no ye west west o be na ma branding chechire mu da bia ofra na maka bi fro na we na technical na e the feeder na H1R1 den no me bri yedin so sa me bri yedin so sa hwa metie se nya tara wan pa nyansam no mu anti solar a ma pepland kitwa bi si akire ha o ka sa na hem chihyew cause the least minute but hoin na ko the writers they said can you dundum no don't jina pa dia na mfa na say because I don't get it don't jina pa wo opposition pa wo we pass can you hu nyansa energy nyansa nyina wo ntirimu hey I can't me bondi nam den pejja to ama me because I didn't anya say say dia no ayedin minim say yo mu fie ye num kania ni bia na I don't understand I dey mba kwa ndia kwa me ade ndia be mo maton na me dia fe kra de ya cheche mu anya bre the rate na me kwa na me hu ni sa me kwa na me hu kania dum ni sa na mama me mu say tiefo I no have to change bibia ba honhom na hasesa because the rate edum kania no area beda wo edum kania sa ana say me kwa na ma ba bia metene enya na because the rate dum kania no etanyu 0548931931 mba mentemunka fa na wo kania something say 0551931931 0548931931 o kan yansam no to say eya baby ametena na say o ho so sa hello good morning
hello
oban kase odin baby afrefri good morning mommy oh akukwo nso ba hadwe o agwaro so kure here like that as agro dey hello good morning hello good morning Oh, how many bins are you? Hello, Marchie. Open you didn't be afraid free.
Okay.
Inifruso. Hello, good morning. Monfa line from mommy. Hello, good morning. Hey. Apayi boko ajubreo. Hello, good morning. You are not so free so. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Apayi good morning. I found out Udin baby afraid free. Coffee tea.
Asante agona.
Oh, honum can you say bombing como?
How can you say oh yeah.
Oh. MTF Force and I say man here Jan Beshimu. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Open Cassie Odini baby ate. I let me phone now say then. Line munye. Mon fan we sum na munye be because I don't. Hello, good morning. Open you did baby free. Oh, again team through TV so team through TV so say bentum kan. Dum radio no ni TV me sra. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Open you did baby free.
Yeah, we the friends Pacific Coast.
I fa krom.
Cape Coast.
Okay. On can you answer to say?
To the front, the very fast is that down the light also quiet and papa. This mistake of CCI like a committee, the kind of promises that he gave.
Oh,
some and a nanny and then part about our electricity offer. Looks like our journey, we know which way you look at what he's doing. But we are paying for the best. This is not only MPP and other. We are talking of Ghana. But then look at the choir and call for the believers. They don't want to accept the trust in the MDC, the MPP. That is all. I didn't call you in a. I have to go and look for the data.
No answer money. Mo. Because can you make? If someone say, "Maybe Hong Kong." Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Open you didn't baby free. Good. Oh, how long can you answer to say, "Bombing Kobo"?
The case is bonus my light out. But if we add 3 feet, and whole night, I did choose to light and
I am what you in your cry. All right. Line so Jimmy. Hello, good morning.
Very good morning.
Open Cassie Odin baby free.
I have very confirm cassette free a great chance.
Good. A great junction to say.
Opening your light, no. Say, I was saying your penny for a picture. Now, one more course our technical teams now, electricity. No. One more dear M1. Some penny for better nothing. That's one more change you one more transfer one more. A bay, yes, or mobile sabotage and DC for no. Bet now could just
in politics, they are men from what can some the dead and now the politics, but who the dead yourself, young Caniano yourself. Because I don't know, send your Caniano SE. I don't know. Mark Kwame also organized demonstration. Get ministry because hello, good morning.
Hello?
Open case you didn't baby free.
A friend memorial.
Open you can say free.
Because every North Canada.
Good. On can you want something to say?
Oh, can you have something to your breath?
Sarah Ganso, sir.
Easy.
Hey, Nadia, Ghana, you know. Modern Dunduma, I said, at saying,
Lumcra, Mudumana, Master, Mudumana, Mudumka, Moda, I have Brempo.
I did, like I mean, I can't say I don't think far. Me don't want to ask you. They were can you see kono. Sometimes some say ana area na me wono nko ana. Oh wana kan ya de play. Oh ana kan ya de phone. Mo kam ye tua me tua letter bia me to bia me tua skato so. Say energy levy. Yeah the bomba. Man can say. Because me penny Ghanaians. Yeah guy yo. Kwame quarterly bia so omo increase kania no ya kafe na so kania e go kokan ni akambrofo agu so I don't know say me area honko a ma me fa kakrankan. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Open you didn't baby free.
Prince, Western region.
Western to say Prince.
Oh, you like me there and you're fra.
Most mo wasa. Dabi na mo honko Prince na mo honko a. Ya hanso nya kura.
Look current. What performance so nya adwuma light me dem a baby nya adwuma.
Serious, Prince.
High for right this year. It mean you
so I na me imagine Taylor for now we use light ni baba for to say who you tell one here cost of we cry. I just don't understand this thing.
Cost of no we use light.
I didn't say I didn't say mo.
Yeah, na say Kwame, you be say un video we are uni baby.
Why fan na dey fa?
Baba ye won ko awo studio won ko awo dadwene. Won ko awo how kokope usika ko repair. Sacred beyond repairs and so on. Kokope sika na kotofofro. That is what is happening. We are paying huge sums of money. Huge sums of money. Reason being that sebeye betumi abwana electricity no. Sebeye betumi we are paying huge sums of money. Sebeye bebwana electricity no. Atumi agina ne nan so motumi provided their money. Each and every day. Every quarter bia womo the increment e de ba e ma yetua Kwame enne okoto power ebi wo need 3 days me a victim 3 days 100 cedis me use light fan because me buy me fa hwe my light fan iron 100 cedis need 3 days nasa
what is happening
and still the light na me tua sika koto enyina so ma me enjoy light ni hu say ampa de me di me sika kwakoto no I am enjoying it. I am consuming it. I am feeling it. We are not seeing same. Nemom okoto a de omo pen no the light ni ye no omo de ye na how. One Kwame and it is because say we've not held anyone responsible. It is because say obi anywa ya pa and it is because say politicians no dey aye MPP NDC somewhere
me defend your mama
defend your man. You see, there's no sense in what is happening.
Oh my God, demonstration. Masa because Kwame, I didn't mean you bim. Hey, me the PRC for abetna.
Yes.
Me the ECG for abetna. You run Volta River. You run Netco. Brofa kesi ah. Na me busa mse. Enti ebeye o mse ebeye. But still now, that thing is not happening. I don't know what to say again.
Now with him, a yak back who creates a woman is a meters and yes, back will be IMS. Almost last year by an amount for Tomta and ne Okoto power. Young countries to say the scene at Kwame Okoto 200.
What is this?
So
what is this?
No reason is being given.
Energy Minister Ton Chairman me.
Nothing.
Oh,
nothing.
What is dodging up?
Kwame Akoko yese Ghana for yetia.
What is this?
Yetia samwa siama ntino.
What is this? What is this?
Unusa na ekoso. Na ye the your politics like how? Here enran kwa light here mpendu wo modum light. Enti Kwame so be a barbering shop. Obi ye cold obi ye ya
because a day no ntimi ma ye num light
ontumi mfidi no ontumi nya
as ye febi na ya so nsehunu so sa I don't want anyone to read MPP and DC to this can ye num MPP ni num DC ye do obi akania let's forget about all those nonsense
obi answer my reason
ye group obi akania a day ntimi ntwam wa bra ye num kania what kind of behavior is that
across Ghana Kwame across Ghana
me say bia Ashanti region Greater Accra and your fancy fear doors and a demand in the
industries then they
but
also
Savlelu go frey Abrantani frey so Salaga frey people are calling in from all over Ghana. I catch us say this is what is happening all over. The number of people me producer catch am see em fa bin kan wo mu da so fra me so nya botere
Kwame VRA
are
VRA net
11 aye piano what is the essence quarterly adjustment me say I was there and I see him pay for catch you play ni VRA for catch say oh where you mu adjusting sir no water from no pay 200%. Then you also pay 150% an increment. Na PRC for the year and about for mu. And ya dia to so. Ye rafi mu hwe January, February, March. Na atwa mu ni e ba be ye next adjustment. And I'm telling you mess atum. Aside some say kada ho I was ye tua kana liter of food bi abeto bi eje 1 Ghana also. What is happening? But what is going on at time? I said those days near Num Canyon. Now you doom Kanya, but what I am worried in say, no more say a car. And for that matter, more than 1 CD. 1 CD in me what of us. What kind of thing is this? 1 CD now more no. I was saying
we are not getting value for money or my moha.
What's our
getting value for money or my moha.
Perimeters are me. Perimeters are ye de calculate edit to power mu pa ye say dollar no cost enti omu kwa akoto omu nyoma na omu di dollar ne koto ne bu ayedin light for the bro for power ba ko no dollar
production cost
interest rate and one no send them production cost ne high enti that perimeter no and ye nim say currently bibia say okoto toilet ko say dollar abafom obi polycura priakra yes dollar ba san people for better obi be a free senior high school ye free senior high school samana ya bom galawe mo so mo ba ya mo so bibia dollar akofom na dollar akofom should reflect on our utilities masa atum quarterly say aje e kadada no wo so e ka ho fine ye pani age 1 cedi na fe kura de odum kania ne chain bibia so what do you want the customer to do? And John Janapo is sitting there. He will not talk about this thing. JJ, we know the time, Anna, John Janapo, when you are in opposition. Oh, sorry, Jana Parliament, and number Biaou. Monsieur John J. JJ, dear. Some France, I'm the one now, only some Georgia, Yayaqua. Mama, I 1 CD. Out of so, Yankashi. Quarterly adjustment, Matum, Yankashi. Kadiano do one, essay doom. Not a single day yendum kanya yomonum kran in present all over Ghana and you're peculiar to one place. Kay Ashanti region and a greater Accra make so e be allowed the door so. But what is happening? A day to your coastal now only plant BC baby I won't say can abefi. I want to Persia radio kakabo ye bo lulabi as then no, we cannot continue this way, John. Because time and now what parliament no on your position. Intelligent, brilliant submission that you were given. I am not seeing it. Me won't. Especially when me kotofu will be a moje 1 cedi also. What is this? Master, you guys should give us a break in this country. What? Are kakra bi ahon say eye kano ana engineers na nya ade because minim engineers o pin even other countries ko here adwuma ECG for engineers eguwe ECG not ko VR engineers I know some of them bia ye adwuma in African countries bia otim say they were doing so well including Rwanda, Ebia Yajuma, UK, our Sweden and other places. Akuko school direct your top class engineers. A drew the idea from now for other countries by joining. And then any problem this is say. I entiminya can ya say jinaso kakra. Cost of war a woman. Who you bitia ne drew baby and half all the blade in afing. obi sha dry yam ni ayi ni ade tete no ya maamem ni ade sa abofro te yi round bia bom na dem nem from afam rollers don't abi o ya ma me say from fancy at the mount you have to wake up minim office or there someone here twa frim ni ofie twa frim dia but people are suffering. We are not getting value for money. The year can say we want value for money. Meet me material levy on a fool. I don't think every baby driver form person better so because na me adum fool ne perform drastically. Dollar about form sa perimeter sin na and so still can you na sin tie den. That is what we want to ask. That is what the ordinary Ghanaian is asking. Say, yeah, dang, what is going on? Aba! A day, gentlemen, Tinasi, Wabra Yenum Kania. Make us say, Oma Frey was also Modum Kania. Well, so la never you. What? And your Biane was God, the better, obey Sola, no obey your genset as in chain. The more you know, a time. We are not getting any value for money. Can you do more? Do more successful for your ma? Are they? Ask PRC the number of cases solve in a month. This the number of cases related to utility. Maza, when free so, I na cry na ma kokandienka. I love him, but Master Jumane dear. Are they? Audio na me free you remember. And I how they say me the can come how. Ma room now I'm very disturbed to be honest. Sending Kanye call. One number of people move away. Still the line is busy. Because they see I'm a fuck cost 1,000 I can pay costs on par. What is this? Ya crocro ministers need too much. I say, what even can minister asem? What even call be or no? Yes, so I'm so not even can asem. I don't know. Yenya dani mumu okromana. Ze nchenche adwuma ne yo se de ne yo. Kakra ye be di nti me anwe ho me anwe ho. Me anwe ho me dem abro. Me anwe ho. Fa kolebu video no dem kolebu video no ina chance. I just have to clear my hair na yen to aso. Me get emotional because course na bam so na door so. People are complaining about light. It makes me as irritate me. Menye minister. Menye ibia, but the cause that sometimes you get amount for come problem John. Let me work on this. Na Kwame bibia akoye die.
Obeni nyame adom nya de ekoso wo mai mu hade a nka bibia ye fine pa.
Lent ne fasting koso kra mo ya ma fasting kra Ramadan kra Muhammad. Muhammad yenso wa hwe walaji ata de.
And I Abdul Wahab eat many of money fasting. Yes.
The Barbara Samote or say no, you're fasting. Mo bia meye ehibia emanime emetiasi.
Abdul Wahab eat.
So yanko aropana me no ka empa ho asem ane ade ba ko ya pa se wafo bi wakoto obi na kwa me bi accident bi bibia si ni afa na to kam now so oh yeah a good Samaritan and na ko piem hospital Kwame udru ho a wanhwe a wobenu ho ebi atomeda udru ho no ma se ona say o de wo ye Samaritan ti sometimes no who seen na you can the only little thing that you can do say is to help na ma fani pano Kwame ato kamu moja ni ade o de wo fa ho you want to save a life house car ye den na nyame adobo de na dru emergency ho no ho na beti technical ways ho na beti mra ene nsem wo wasum anu akwaji police den ana infa na ball no na ni fie nipa no wu na mimi nim no busam say wadi fie say mimi nim ne maka cho say oh emergency yakoto no okwan ho ne ya boa no obusam say ni din ni efie why what do afero obusa say ni din de say ni fie yes I say what is wrong with us? What is wrong with us? Because the rate of enyama ekoso in hospitals. Na ye didi mu adako ye be pade bi huntuma be obi nwa. Odi amunya abotre man. Enyama ekoso in hospitals ni be in this region. Na Kwame, babu a ukodru one hour akwa maternity ho. That was knowledge kakra about health. Kwame nyoma ya twira mo a ye demand free ho rubber baby kura beto 3 sa rubber near this season 2 3 obeto detergent 2 3 minim se die nkwando mu de beto power zone obeto wait oh that more list ni bi o me phone so beto 3 3 2 2 next ni be any business. And what they will do, they say. No more, the Oman you see in our magic in our kuguo. No massa tongue. Business a be and me bois. More money, our hospitals. You guys, you are aware. And you only have the bag in the corner, senior man, the bell where if you are who be now. Oh, Adiane, you so good, Adiane, you walk or dream on your mouth. And the people take advantage of the vulnerable. Yawsa wa when you hear when the samere no ani na enya kromo ya na mbeka cha mo say sa for instance for I know me expose no me buy no eduru ba bi ye catch obi say e de aye twro man na ye machine ye so onkoto e din technical yi na ye so onya doctor kirekiru mu a na ye machine ye so onkoto bien faja ni surgery no machine mu a ana ya try to so onko private pharmacy bi nkoto to mko asa biomedical we no ma ye ya na ese mu wi o matches Canada no mu so ni unsa akra antipwi da na so mu so onye ya and you charging dollars na wa won say yes ye proud. As much as some nurses are born to serve, a be wakumapa, many nurses be a more sick and turn your mama patients. I know some. I know. Many nurses na bebu or my teacher for. Patients in the crowd when you now I'm saying municipal hospital in Shunyan. Akwa be beda ho. Na akwa no oye mfanche misa kofu yo mjiji ska mama be jiji ska mu ha adwen okroma bebrebe one ne ho hwe so kenke krom be hona man no o se Esther no kopes ska rom dia hono kenke na man. These are things that are so but nurses ni bi so ya mafia. Oh ayi wife me refinidin oh Director of Research, why? Very good person. But the course of Parliament,
that is going to be the current Minister of Health had already set in motion. The current Minister of Health had already set in motion a team to solve this situation comprehensively. And they are coming out with a document that is going to be looking at a national integrated bed management and referral coordination system. This will be backed by IT and is going to allow us at the real time to be able to tell the categories of bed that are available in a particular hospital. Whether you don't have stroke bed or ICU bed or bed for a pregnant woman or for a child. This work has been ongoing. It is unfortunate that while it was in its final weeks, this incident has happened. And the minister has asked the group to quicken up their work so that he can make a major announcement on this to bring a comprehensive change that would help us. It will rope in the ambulance service so that when the ambulance picks a patient, they don't ask the patient or their relative or a doctor in a small private hospital, can you tell us which hospital is willing to accept this patient? This is the current situation. I have had calls from a lot of colleagues here. They need a patient moved to Kolebu, and their response will be that there is no bed at Kolebu emergency. But when I call, there will be a bed. Why? And so this is what this problem, solution that the minister is bringing, is going to solve. And I'm pleading that Parliament will give the minister all the support needed so that this problem can be solved once and for all. Mr. Speaker, I will conclude by saying that our ambulance service, by their acts and by their function, may also need to be reviewed. Currently, they do scoop and run. What it means is, at an accident scene, they can pick you up, but they can't even set a simple IV line to give you fluid. For this patient who was being moved from hospital to hospital, if a simple normal saline was running, this patient could have survived. The minority leader mentioned his BP at the beginning. At Kolebu, when they checked the BP in the ambulance monitor, it had come down to 84/56. That is someone who is just about dying. So if they could at least set a line and run some fluid in transit, a lot of patients will survive. So the model that allowed them to only scoop and run must be changed, and their training must be upgraded so that have paramedics that are specialized to be able to provide some basic care. But in conclusion, attitude is our biggest problem. All of this will not change if the attitude does not change. May I stand on this to appeal to my colleague health workers. Look at that next patient, that it could be you, it could be your father, it could be your mother. It doesn't have to be another doctor calling you before you create a bed and accept the patient, because the one that can call, maybe you may be the one unconscious. The current Minister of Health had already set in motion a team to solve this situation comprehensively, and they are coming out with a document that is going to be looking at a national integrated bed management and referral coordination system. This will be backed by IT and is going to allow us at the real time to be able to tell the categories of bed that are available in a particular hospital. Whether you don't have stroke bed or ICU bed or bed for a pregnant woman or for a child. This work has been ongoing. It is unfortunate that while it was in its final weeks, this incident has happened. And the minister has asked the group to quicken up their work so that he can make a major announcement on this to bring a comprehensive change that would help us. It will rope in the ambulance service so that when the ambulance picks a patient, they don't ask the patient or their relative or a doctor in a small private hospital, can you tell us which hospital is willing to accept this patient? This is the current situation. I have had calls from a lot of colleagues here. They need a patient moved to Kolebu, and their response will be that there is no bed at Kolebu emergency. But when I call, there will be a bed. Why?
So Papa we move the mic no go. Your friend Professor Titus Bayo, or a member of Parliament, am I the good people of Lambusi? Na or your doctor ni say wanya ntitiye medical way na why adwuma nti onim de oka Now tie papa na nsem a woka. It's not far from the American. Or say ebebetimi akọ hospital. Okwa ya be catch us say o de hwe minority Alexander Fenga Market hwe danim a oditi no so TV so mechanism ya kire mu. O de hwe MPC ni na bra okasa no hwe MPC ni nyina anim. Look o de hwe facial appearance no. Look at the demeanor of MPC no de hwe mu nyina anim hwe mu anim. Hwe obi anim me o de mechanism hwe obi anim. The reason why owie na obi e bọ nsem no. Hwe mu o de hwe mu nyina anim. The man was truthful, the man was on point. What the man said, ne say, Sawa would tell no call a wunyampa, Yabaka to some penny, but or no of ra, baby and power be a benyampa man. After markings, their bonny some. Right? Let me, yadia, me person make one sem. I think 2 weeks ago, now I find your markings now. Then him, dear noye, our annual medical checkup. Almost more parliament in na omo yebi omo ko no angwan kokora yearly also ko ye be hwe otirinwi mu abesi umore a omo ko ye annual medical checkup omo won bebre wo diabetes hypertension pressure wo soro parliamentarians no bebre pressure wo soro bebre bp soro omo wo ye hwempis nanim hwomadim Shomadi modia hwampi we yote he hwedanim na hwampi no ote akire ho no na hwede your specialty Professor Bayu achi ho no almost all of them our health issues yade de emfa ni agro otu wa bia wadwen yo so ni yade onye checkups but no opportunity say at least yearly okwakoye all the labs I say yade we pese atwiniti we pese ba no maso ano ko madwuma na omo ye no e demanding. It takes their time, it takes just your health one hwe ya fa akotena kura nya asem ketwa ade to bia wo MP onko parliament no fa akotena betima tena se to bia omo tena se ko anwumrem no omo da so te e bi o committee so ye meetings enti bebre na yare MPC egoi bebre wa hypertension bebre wa diabetes bebre obu BP sugar level just say enye na de am won say omno opportunity or let me fly to South Africa say nyame adum University of Ghana Medical Center hono so ho or let me go UK board ma MP so ko UK okwa kohwe ne ho yade okwa India. And these are people are mind form hoka na wo na wote seme no ye de ani da so ani nyame nko a operation nyame amamfo say wo the Professor Bayu can say sempani wo a wono de ofra ye de be man because one enyo no kwan so the kind it one of the vote ho baby MP so can say anopena me ka jo so nya ne yire ana duru baby unze todo bia omai mu account na mankofo ka omu credentials e ka omu CV ho ba bia unime no because baby wa wankasa hu ayeyi ayibone sa akasa ndem se e kasa ya me time pa unime wo ye hwan o mankwa me obi o ka unime ne hu ye me hinche obi awasas but Ghana situation e dru baby a wanka obekwa asamado etine yire ne hwede akona na yire ne ka chom se na papa no da ho no ona ye MPO oh yes say afedie magically according to MP no magically ni anyam pa ama no na afei o ma sha se treat no o ba o hwan wo utiem ni me ye hwan etina ye ni abra we have to fight for this because when the system works enya se obey MP enya se obey MC enya se obey DC ye be hwe nyina do ahinfuchiniye then so at least basic one ubenya na kolebu apam obi a menhia be ye dey so ntraso be ye dey ye kolebu aponyina enso nyina ayiri kobopum kolebu kora anye ye kura okata nim se kolebu de benya machines ni bia na bibi wo hosa na kolebu se o kole bukure yo se any 37 yen fango Range Hospital yen fango so exact time I attack your day way holistically without being biased and I get politics partisan politics with this etimi da maka just a pekanjin water na no name protect o but dey be ka o ya pekanjin ni bi no da ma ahode na da bia on nam nsu a ya so ne so ya filter so kama enti ya de bebre one piece no do mo de tete ho ti doctor ne ba yo kan so no de ono ofra ya behwe no ya kwa na akofre no enti that is how obi a wanya emergency aba ye man first aid kura ne ebusan se wote hin meten ma pantan ya why me pa adura tazo ka tem se meten and this is what is going on. It's so pathetic. It's so pathetic. Koji police e bransa. At least yankasa mamunye mojuma. But the name be what at least you can give first aid. First aid. Every baby anamete. Ababa aba kwa wa no tiam. Yanwu de ebie moko black. Blackout straight. They have to call me. Kwame ganso de nani modu die. Ti na mema na ya mo petrol no ya ne to bia mbusa mo no. Bram ye bra ya san ye ti bayi na fira soro hod ma besi fom e de na to kem de na ko hospital. Ni pan ko black am duru sebi boni mu apie to kro shebi. O se me kata me ni ade atade hye no ko. Ma hwe. E de nyame ne me dasidi. You see Kwame, na fa ye beduru amu busa me se e de na ye do. Maybe what form na me say o ma be frem say nana bra. That's all. Eti misramo ade na ye ko wo se ye nyina ye ko. Na mpisi ni de omo opportunity o. Na omukure ehwirita na mfui. Ami akwa kanje mfo no mra because they say ya monso ama ye mi na mbe odia. Ahwa na dia ye. Ya ba kokofo no so akasa. Doctor akwa otukono otukono. Wakofu omubokra. Best farmer kasa. There's a lot that is happening. Me was story span up ebedi nkobo. Ode mamne kanje mfo ni nwe. Na Ernest ne nua ba betena si de Winifred wa ha me name so no sade ogusu na tesa no pay ye ni nkomo kakra makache o se ma wonso no mu hia ho na unfortunately omu dia besi omu nko anim enya hwe na wo ayi anya hwe Ernesto ka janka kai me se me nuan ma men kai no Anas do African Jesus na we the friend who's Obapa Elsos African Jano pay ya mama chem makwaba.
Yeah.
Na enoma te say.
Yankopado me dey fine.
Good. Good. E die nti na wo say me wo kanjina me nom.
Wow. Good. You better what tea for us na ya da mo so.
And them na mama kwahye.
Yeah.
Ko sarwa bad yeso.
The reason why the the reason why nti also here kanjin. San say you ka say kanjin water. Alkaline water you produce. You ka say kanjin water, alkaline water. And one of Dr. Bakwa, a friend Dr. Otuwebek, Nobel Prize Award 1931 on any nyasa award on one they discovered the cause of cancer. Okasimo was say biaya alkaline will be including cancer. Inti sa doctor we eka asem say kirewa na say okra wo twa ufam na tonkwa mu. Inti ye ka say kanjin means back to origin. Eba etwi ka say ma ye say sankofa. Inti sankofa no ne say ye nkaneti tinsu a na nya na botan mu nkaneti tinsu a ye koye afom se bi ye atena kurasi kakra ye ko afom a ye nsu eta afom ne ade ni nyina ye hu ye se bi nom fa ya bi amre na obode nim die mu obode nim onyam mu obode nyansa mu no waye bibia rich e de ama bibini ana nipa desani enso enam ye hunu ana yesu atrenti sabi ama nyama nyina ye basa ye didie meduan ni yensu num na ye basa eno ena kofare baya ye frɛ no elda elikim dodo no kujo onso hu se no dabi yensu asise ye nom no enye it is a kanjin sankofa dia na mame nkofa kanjin machine eno ebetima produce encanate yensu a na yenya eboa ya ekura minerals a ebetima aboa ya ma eniema kanjin nkofo fredi adanse no eniema ye hu nyina no obi ti bebi obeka se kanjin duro dabi kanjin enya duro yensu. Now, topic I'm debating was water minerals and their effect on our water bodies.
Water minerals and their effect
on our
water bodies. On our bodies. Okay.
I know any of them. Nti kanjin ekura minerals. Any jumedia edi and a bioso in some cost in some tie adanse ebe nyina no kanjin nyaduro eyensuo. Ana dia tosu mienu so no Mami fanko history kakra unze enkane no na ye nananum kwa afuom a sebi obetimi afiri adwoso aba makro okwa afuom otwa for tese mask kese ene de ekoye adwuma okọ no so enye sebi okwa akoda o onfa nsuo bi mmonachi onfa aduane bi nhye nachi afuom ho a obenya nsuo afuom ho obenya aduane yebusa ye se adentina first na ye nananum etimi nyini che omunyini mu kura no no mutimi awo omunyini mu no omutimi ware dodo ba enani ebuse ye ho se edenti na abase ne obi wo 20 years or pressure ke hu pressure na ke mpanyifo ya de ba enen koda nyina anya pressure 21 years 18 years or pressure edienti a ye nnuane a ye die ye nsu a ya se no ye stream se de mfiche ya lay pipe atum enen nsu to na ejiri kakra bi a ya hwe center ba obi ele pipe atum to ye no abie ne se namu obeku ne ho kaka nka first no ene wo se yet streams ho obi atu abula won chen unse senso na enam form na yentimi nsa no abula na yetu na ye senso na ho ba ene no ye hunu se senso na yete no ye de ye hu se ase no yentimi nkosa senso ni bi nom enti abula na yetu no ba ye no ye hunu se senso na enam form na yete ne ko no abula na yetu no abula na yetu ni senso ni nchen sase mota na ye nom no ba before no enam say humu ni nim dia ye nyinti no ye feel say eno ne papa ba eno enam so ma yeso yare ahodo aba ya brabom ene ukura kanjin water one your minerals bebre wom ekuta minerals bi say potassium iron sulfate magnesium say sa minerals we nyina so bo nipadua senior obitimi ko drugstore no atiska so okoto adu ebe ma ni minerals e woni nipadua ana meboa by eneno say them di kan say kanjin back to origin ni chi ye be kan say sankofa enam ye bapa elekem dodonukujo elder eso akofa machine e di aba ame hu say ye wonsu a enkane ne enum a na ekura minerals na nkopon nyim die mu ni na ne onyamu no na nka waye bibia afefe na ne onyamu waye bibia afefe woni nim die mu eye ne nsanchire ni mu no na nka waye nso fefefe nka first ebotan nso fi mu bank nso ne fi na eba abutan mu no na nka suo na mu ba ye nom onuma senso ni na alkaline water o test alkaline water ba na ebusa se senso na ekoto ebe na ebe se bia no mana da bi enam se senso na ekura minerals ni ntino ye ko ye mfom na ekɔ enyuma so na esebi num a eno na eboa e ma ya hoden ye na nanom no mutimi nyini che awo mu so no mutimi wuyie ebasa na ekura hoden ekura om no ene 18 years ele me kan ndi kan 18 years or pressure 21 years or pressure 25 years or pressure ya dia hodo na atiatis enam ye nim die mu nti ye nim die ayenya ayese eno ene papa no first na ese sabi tete no bagimi be ne so ye sisabi o ye nim nyansa ye nim die woso bebire no ene da say internet one dedi kan ye yensa si na say yesuo na say ene o hwe yesuo ye streams ene yesuo a ye twitwa ba TV so sabi na ye TV ehu de ekọ enti o hwe ni nyina ye busa say next 10 to 20 years ye be kran so afiri na abagana yesuo na be say enti na ye kanfo kanjin energy drinking water edema ona no pay say pebi esifie na ekura minerals a connected sa minerals na obo adenya nsem ni hunu mu no waya mani pedasi ni dada senka yenum na nka yenya hoden na nka yen fantimi nya adwuma na embo ema enyini che no ena ya se enyi nyina ena it say heavy metals aye nsomu ma enti ya obrofo bi che say yade ahodo ne yade abrofo akese ena abani padwam enti emwa eniema enkoso ye ema adwumadi a esese edi no enti mi endi ni ye enti dedibe ya meka say ukra kanjin water one o hospital ko ebel emete two se ebisi fia enya se de bi ma me nkwamato na mekai ne ye food na ye dwom ni ade obi to se bi ma to me nkwa na me ekonom da bi ma me papa onkwa na okonom urefi uba no akra ne ko school man so be no onom unim so onom unum aduane a odi enso na onom minus be ne kura no aduane na odi minus be ne kura no enti da bia ne ye kase kanjin water eye abusu anchemfa utosifia ma me numbi papa numbi obi enumbi enti minus na ekura no eno na boa ma sansencheni na eda di ma da bia no obi fra menum kanje no se na aye me menum kanje no djuma die se na afa djumanyam kanje ne boa me sanim die ne sane ma yakoso nipa dwam na aye se ekura minus ronko a enso bia enkura bi e ogana ha enti da bia no kanje water ensu a ebua sese woni padua ebua amanyama nyina akoye me say me ba se wo de picture beto so ama kanje machine no na me kasa fa kakra kanje machine ekura eye enduma mienu se dumba mienu no baako efa soro baako ewo form ana ye wo plate bi eda machine ye fa no titanium eye platinum coated plate machine ene da so no unse dumba ne ai mienu baako osoro baako o form de ewo soro no anti sa titanium platinum platinum maker no eno ene divide insori into two e dividing into two esoro de no e provide alkaline water which is kanjin water no na ase de no so e provide ensu e ko eni padwoma emwa eno ye acidic water enti de bia no o kanjin machine esi ufi a we ye secure ana be sa wonyi bi e ofie so a na enamiadom ya betena no pe ye bon hu deru e de kire no kanjin water e wo ho pebi esifie na one mofra ne oba no be ma mu nyina mu no na enwoamu na nsiesie woni padua da bia meka se papa se o insurance kra na da sen na wo si woni insurance e wo Ghana ha ukwe ene okọ hospital se ukwe insurance kra sika betua no unkwe insurance kra fa so so enti bon ban free yade ho bon ban free amane ho entwen se yade mi beto ansa no apɛ kanga kira kwan da bi
ye color e man your skin collagen ni ade so wonya nsu papa believe me won't adro you don't need a draw so wo be fa na so benya pomodi adro bia wo benum bia no kwasam say e was side effects wo benya nsunsun so and so die wonom no dodo wonom kitu abio wo benya ahode papa ewom na de ama yenso ye kan na mebre ka say ye streams galamse abese yenso nti se wonum so na wonya mfaso de bia enfrim esa de oha kra ne won ko sa galamse enso minerals lede wo mu ne mercury akwa hyehyem heavy metals no ema ni padua no kwa sa de oha ebeto ye organs ne so anka organs e wo se buo ni padua no buo ni padua ma ni padua nye dwuma wo se din organs ni ntimi nye and de how na beba eno ntina se nkra nyina enya pressure diabetes just eye kra na nwanwa wo ko hospital na ko hu akra oyare aya na eya ahomete and there's no anything enuane aye dinene ye nso bi enum na this how na ba that is why kanjin abedwa say so papa mudin ahoden papa anase nsupa ebebo ni padua no na ema ya entwe ma yare ne mansa no wape ho aduro sisi a wonya nsupa te se kanjin energetic drinking water ebe detoxify wo system no na you how be afim kanjin akwa se enipadua no zoom lion ono de nnuama boni a ewo nipadua no eno na eyi free ono mti ano pe yenkomo no eyetia pe nsupa yese kanjin choose kanjin choose kanjin choose wellness. The numbers is
0241
44 91
0241 44 91 0507 37 94 74.
If I show WhatsApp say be our friend na your line na you busy obetimi a WhatsApp you obetimi a send a text message anytime any day just that yeah you pon 5:30 until 4 o'clock the offer no when ya the next day
no what's after
yes
and simple when ya next day ubenya
yes
thank you so much that's a power and as you do any Winifred owusu da no pay ma be cheche kanjin hu nsem a share kama we osiso titiodu a osi san kofa yes san akofa ide makana we ide beja yes busan ye de be mawo ji anope mebobo kanjin no mebobo bi ebi na Ernest Adaruma mebobo kanjin no kanjin energetic drinking water in fact mebobo alkaline water maybe so amon ade no kama na also with there. But we can messages now what the abalo. Messages, let me try and read some of the messages. A lot of concern on our health system. Na Kwame Atena say, Emil Smith say good morning. Rise good morning, and this is Dodunu Elikem Samuel Kuji. Thanks for the swift correction. Winifred Owusu. Okay, hey, Elikem boss. Okay. Thanks. Na messages in the dorsum. Ebi one person remaining anonymous. Well, I mean, there's this message from someone now, or some mami mboni ding. Na message na me read ya na me hu say me hu say message na anu wedding na what tro utim say he knows what he's saying. Or say good morning senior meaning mamo din say metima kan so dia. Or say mami mboni ding. Senior, what you are talking about is what is really happening at Agogo Presbyterian Hospital nowadays. Even at the emergency unit, while patient is in deeply pain, you will see a nurse with her phone seriously chatting and laughing. Last week, I was at the funeral around 8:30 a.m. when my brother called and told me her wife has been rushed to the hospital. Senior, guess something. I reached there exactly 8:55, and the nurses told us to move back. They will attend to her, not knowing she was lying there with no response from any personnel. A few moments, the lady passed on sadly, leaving us her 3-month baby. Please kindly make some under. Okay, Hadi is not meant for all of them, all of us. Okay. Na wa me the person chen say ninua na omo Rashid no ko hospital omo from nurse omo ko no bia attend ji say oda baby kura ti oda ho be mu no mu kan o say omo bia mfiri o ye behwe no oda ho a bia omo pipu kakram say ni pe da ho gasp gasp for air on side na still 3 minutes time no wu 30 minutes time was saying no way. Just like that. Kwame, just like that. Just like that.
And it saddens my heart. Say,
just like that.
Say adichie bia dani de bia yehu sesani mai edaswa esi. Na esi nso a enye say esi se esi awie nipa na nwu nipa na wu wahwe ne nkwa. But in yes, at committee now, Kwame Anopai, free Rasa, and I monitor a parliament or proceedings. Now, me yes, I may research Kakra, reading Kakra, Bakumi, and Nasephone. Kwame. Yes, successive government, you know, Omudi Hamopa, Omudi bro, because and near maybe a basic and near also provided in my memo, but they don't do it. A basic. NDC are buying, NDP are buying, NDC are buying, NDP are buying. One more a queen, a dear bro, dear Bonio Krumu because and near my basic and can you answer Kwame a here gun and you know, in the here. You have no other thing to provide gun and near a chance so Bruswa, a person need done to provide health care, access to health, availability of health, school. Light and so Sanyama a basic a Newman Kitinkitia a the responsibility of a buying, but they failed us from coming Kroman pesos Albert Pimon Nekwame. They have failed us. A bind you babia o dear Ramosa and a neck ye baby drew baby a dream. And I always say the same. Yem penny for near leaders are Kwame yet now more Kroma Hadamano. One way reactive leaders, one way emergency thinkers leaders are these are asem asi, these are obi awu, these are oyene aba ansana sabe benifo wanimwa adwene na do mutirimo no aye adwuma die bentina ene 21st century Greater Accra Kolebu
yebeka se eye national hospital obi ehwe Komfanoche yebeka se eye national hospital obi ehwe ni other hospitals yebeka se agidini enne obekwa kopie mu na yese bed ni ho na nsa na wusani ba regions nso ba district nso akwame eno nso ba bedru ho nso a chese doctor for nurse for eni ho ebi ni ambulance ebi ni niam kitten aso obi yare kopie hospital ho a ye de behwe no. These governments they have failed us woefully. They have failed us heavily. They have failed us and continuously. That's so ADM. And now woman the young Ghana for so again the diagro say druswa yede sane ma ibe ye NDC ni MPP sem yede be ye NDC ni MPP sem ye be ka say na MPP in person na we see and NDC in person na we see sane ye they have really failed us. Now Kwame the yama rewo kese pa has to do with the parliamentarians no your members of parliament. Kwame anopa mean to sebe omuye hypocrites. They are hypocrites. Your members of parliament, they are hypocrites. Right? And then titles be you kasano 7 years ago, 2014, or the crata be the barbonting. None has to do with no bed syndrome. Yeah. Or the barbontin the beto abontin ya na wo chire mu eniema hodo ne akwan ahodo a wose aban no wose mpanyifo no mutu anamon ne boa sebe ya sa no bed syndrome ne ye emergency unit accident and emergency unit ye betumi aboa na niema totoye besi enne sa niema na ntumi ankoso. And Kwame, permit me, June 14, 2018, press statement on no bed syndrome. Titus Bayo, Ninsa Shasi, now on Assistant General Secretary at the Ghana Medical Association. Satam no de krata yi ba bontin, e bi reach out to Mpenifo. A be reach out to members of parliament or more the select committee. No more who says Sanya May air cost with enya a dia bro. Amo matna sia change from 2014 year and net 2026. 10 years. Aba assign repeating who biem a fei and a yesu of parliament. And the time our this akrate yi ba bontin na enchimpenifo agini nsibiri bi so say woso mutu anamobiana. Na enka bibi nchire mpanyifo say there's something happening in our country here immediate attention ana na Kwame enano na meka say de ekoso a AC wo ye memu anano mande na meka eye seasonal occurrences na AC and there was a fan sa ana say was ye hu say existential warning e de mayen e was ye tu anamo. And Kwame ne krata animono na emergency accident and emergency unit na womuchire mu se was womutu anamon bi na nkomo pass bill bi a accident and emergency services guidelines 2011 as our guidelines see Kwame na was womuhwe no modi djuma doctors ni mpenifo ahodo obeye 41 and contribute to sa adi say yentenas yenhye yenwini na manmra na nya djuma. These people sat omodi allowances, these people sat Ghana sika na yede show mo light wo mu use ye aduane ombedi allowances omodi ye nyina from the coffers of Ghana na yede hwe ye mo tenase adwene sa niema yi hu sa bepem nne enne ya santi committees o mo konko tenase no mo ncheke adenti ne ye sa. And members of parliament, how do you feel? How do you take it? And if you look at accident and emergency, you also the goal is to establish efficient and effective A&E services to reduce disability, morbidity, and mortality in hospital. From 2014, we are still talking about these things. If not emergency thinkers near war as leaders, if not leaders are almost reacted to a near man near war ewo krum ha nka diebenti na 2014 wey NSC ya obi ewu ye na enne ye da so di sankomo ya it means say penny for no fire serious because or no say Kwame and ne bar as member of parliament and ne a bar as minister of state and ne a bar as cabinet minister you be fly no de na kwa brochire no akwa koji treatment but many wo mienu na yen ye kokromoti and ye di team ade no so e mo mutumi mo mkoko tena ho no wo mo nwene ye ho ade say ye wu ade so how bi ato yen ansana wo makwa akotena se no mo aba be kasa aso mo dwen ye ho wo mo boa. They don't think about us. They don't care about us. Woman boy, members of parliament here and penny for woman boy you near home. Ya home fire who woman fire she. The woman here vote now say a do December 7 tomba benyana asa because catram is woman you know dear pan woman ye wo krom ha e di my tres woman you know. E dear ben pa ni na mo tu ya na mo ye to say we they prevent future occurrences and not future disaster be. Dabi, this a disaster na si. This a nipa na wu. This a ohaw na ba. This o yene na to yen. Ansa na ya tena ye to so. Si ye ba be dwene ye ti committee na fe ya tena se ni adwene kon ye be fa so. Mi wan so committee no so Kwame ye ti wi a enkosi aga. De be sia na be sansi. What kind of leaders are you? E de be mpanti na wo se ye subsidizing mo niema hodo na mo hotomo. More comfort, privileges are who do more enjoy. Not the right now. What's a Ghana for young so you to me enjoy because we don't have the privileges now. Momo nyano, and also mum providing for my namuma home actually. Namuma yewu, namuma yefa how mu to say and say you now in a Ghana education service so mark out a round table about and somewhere course who schools now womu intako senso dia nka ya ku obi ba no afi no mark out na se de eniema hodo edi gugu akwan mu. These are bunch of emergency thinkers. If you are not emergency thinkers, provide solutions now that will solve tomorrow. Provide solutions now that will not allow a near sisi neno say ensichina. Mo kotena se mo boto mu ne mo mani mo funko na mo gen. Se mo yesa ye beka se nyame ntua mo ka. Mo yesa ye beka se nyame ntua mo ka. Because they mo ye no sebi entos mu nyasa bi anim. Arenji na mo yesa. Eti ye kosala ya homate na nsuo to na wode yen na wia boyen na de to yen na binumo ko wolai mu saa no eso nimfa so mfa mamona enti eso nimfa so mfa mamo enti mo nwene se Ghana for ye pese mo boa yen mo hyehyemra mo tu anamo bi be ma hoto aba omamu ha mo betu anamo bi a be ma ye ko hospital a ye benya nurse for mo ma hwe yen ye benya duro anom ye benya bed so ada ade echi na me ba eco school a obenya classroom atena obenya teacher ni obekire na de talk na niema hodo nso ewo ho a ye di ebekire na de ade echi Ghana ni benya ensu papa anom ade echi Ghana ni benya light mu ada na ohaw bia enim enne men nkoti ayesi EPA for say Ghana for you best spend almost 350 million or something dollars na yensu no yi. Meanwhile these impenifor campaigns they are behind. Afi yensan kofa Ghana sika biem yensan kofa Ghana sika biem a enne akwada bia onya nsuo nom onya classroom ntena onya duane papa ni onya kwan papa constituency bi kwan papa ni ho no yensan kotam sa sika no enkonko solve nsuo na sampenifuo ya are behind ese no yenkotam sa sika yi enkonko solve sanso yi. How do we think? How do we think as people? Do we really think as rational beings? As people, and I say like time bia yenya sori the beba no the take of the day. Nothing yakwa handle yakwa deal with it. It's very sad. It saddens akomane adwene ni nipadua nyina say ade bechinsa na ema nyina ezizis ye mama. Kwame ano din na asefim and it is because me de bia me ka say ye Ghana for ya maye ho kwan and asankofo ya fayen. Oma fire mfo because omunim say ye pe NDC dodo omunim say ye pe MPP dodo omunim say so omo ya na mo a ye ntinsi monten so as Ghana for na mum ye be tiasi monten so as MPP for ye be tiasi monten so as NDC for na akoye demonstration tino they will take our demonstration and our protest as being politics ye politics ke ye nsuo ma ye light nso ye nyina na nso no bed syndrome ade be chi menu mienu ye tiasi abonten so ye hia MPP ni NDC for mpanifo bia ye Ghana for ni tiasi abonten so ye demonstration chenchen dia kire omo say ye Ghana for ni edi tumi no ma mo tumi ni free ye nchen monye de ye pe de mo ye no nso de ni aye demonstration and come ja ita ni mai
Meba homane so na anopai ba betie wasem but before that no story ba kwa Sompa ye die kirache pa aya branch bia anopai mo fanche otwitwa na wofa ase ba ko ani akwada ba ko ana panyin ba ko nso body as at that time they were led. But they say no, your friend Richard in Bono region, abesim. Mon find the picture into so. Now since 2021, case now back and forth, sir. Now a branch no case in media. I was there personally. They now posing for no corona. You go few you go who sanya mano. Even septic tank no crew baby no nye. Now before I saw Baba Kodo, then you say not yet. Rich, that I was shocked. Said then I'm a taser because a week before the incident, it was me a kobobo wabisim, and I was there to Marco Migohebi, Miami de Mahamubi. There was a basketball now. Timmy Koya na me Bobo I own Timmy Montiam in Tambo, make you too much. No hobby, so we talked some few minutes and then I left. Till a week on now, it is a brand new near I was shocked, very shocked. Fair be said, "Now green engine." I'm saying, what are you guys talking about? Fair to 2021. Corner bra. Safei, rich bedroom on chair. Quite a yobolo. Monko, which had picture back on money. Before so becon. Not only. 2021 na say ya not here na osuya I think Sovia kakaka una odidi omachi no mu collins no nya professional isa no odidi omachi a mo mu ko ye bi rich ni na 2021 2022 hey na prison 2022 no matter what Kwame prison there we are say jollof nyina ko me recommend them
before
yeah, so
prison say na
not
it okọ prison
buy no any picture na first no do atini me enu mame Kevin your say on your man ya o de ba akoto ana de ba akoto and before and after the 2021 na case ni buy ya before ni say we 2021 mra ye ko
chi
am be ya that time crab ye ko bobo ni say ya that time crab no she la course say ya today no mko che nko police station no enie 2021 2022 2023 2024 2025 2026 na men ka busu aya o ebra yenua maadwa mo case ni kwa awie no ana manfo ye say the unfortunate police versus the maadwa case no eba wie na manfo say na ane say we abana say de ane what prevent say we kra di pa ba ko nipa ba miensa wo twitwa bi wa me na say ye twa nipa nsa ne de a chef fridge ne ha ne twa hoda me hu nipa brabo hoda me di hu nipa brabo twitwa chef fridge ni sa awo na sa area hono me ko so fear panic
after
na bia si hoda sa besi mo na bia si hoda entina mehu abesim for a nice people to live with.
Yes.
Ahoda enso supply region ni na bebre na ewo fankese na ewo. Na even sa abesim dam no kra meba house ska bia omukwaje World Bank ska bia omukwaje so om de be expansion no ska den so ano. Metro akoma special prosecutor. Na abranje we ekwoda mu no twitwa ne wofase ba kra de no wofase na ne tini ye kɔ hɔ ne tini hyesei na body ne da oh de ne de bi humani so ade ehu hyehyɛ no fridge nim saa na intestines nem so nim se bese yo o chechere na septic tank ne nchen amna bi o di bi ko hye ho that septic tank no toilet you know bi ko hye ho saa twitwa saa me can the time o can the day time you want to that's what you want others to do to you opinion tenancy you do Friday and why sir Jackson and what was a cremotary over tinting fiaza. Eti finally, Anra energy some a buy. So at least justice has been served. And Timwa now mudi actually those days, Mama follow me ache. Now me update him on this. And then a Jumano was a Miss Mama final report to say baby akusi any. And say it has been in the news, so I don't spend much time. But because me ma follow case na che oh baba mi se nyasam kito etrani si ha na wa chechire ne nso no masa ti se ya made no na ne hey ni peti modern wala mo nyim free so na me call region by region em Hawaii me wa messages bebre wa ha ma men kan ko mensa pillar 2 se what the doom so no abo 24 hour kania no adum Filippo Kwabrin Kasem say NPP and Dr. Baumia will surely come 2028 because the NDC has nothing to offer Ghana. Greetings to my daughter, Frimpong Manson Echian Felix, and my mother, Auntie Mary of Geneso Filippo Nediwe by. Teacher Kojo Chro say, does the change of the name Kotoka International Airport provide employment for the youth? Does it pay teacher and nurses their 10 months of unpaid salaries? Does the change of name stop Galamsey? Does the change provide cocoa farmers with their duly deserved payment for their products? Does the change of name stop Dumso and the high charges for electricity and water bills? Does the change of name bring 24-hour economy? Do we see Nkokon Kitinkiti emerging from the name change? The government has no answers to all these problems. Now they want to confuse Ghanaians so that the pressure will go off. Greetings to Honorable Eric Nana Ajiman Prempe MP for Afua North and Chairman Odinoho Kweku Apia. Oyibo Enso Atro Nebehi. If Dumso is back, government should let us know because the power outages of late is too much. Greetings to Dr. Baumia Shaliche Tiwa MP Achumanwa Bieja South, Kojo Bamba National Affairs Vice Chairman Hofo and Justin Kodria from MPP General Secretary Oyibo Boati Nebehim. Baba be kenka ndiaka na ka ho na anopay Polytank for endowment the first place I ever call ye Ashanti region. Na Polytank for say anopay men kan cho say sumo no eda so ginam na sumo super tank no yama 10% off anopay bomodin na kopebi na obetimanya 1000 fa so be 1000 wo so koto wa bra promo ikos na promo ni twam wa so be ye and the Polytank sumo super tank anopay na make am for the amount baby aton Polytank edini ya ba ko pe Polytank kone kwajo de anopay Polytank for endowment yanko Ashanti region 0548931931 0551931931 Edia na koso our region no last week kakra na buy na ya update ya hwe bebre edia mamo a menim say ebi o na koso amomfre encourage say koso because ya ebu a ya ba dia say koso so mon kan kire just say ya sa backgrounds yamfa first caller. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Obanjia.
Obanyi wadaru modini baby afrefi.
Wadaru ma ta ko de ni mi de odu jangoba.
Za ko de enti anopai.
You. Mamenchi achama wadeno kokuapia. Mamenta say Ashanti region the no contest. That's why lawyer just include their instrument. And a lawyer can see bon security on so Assistant Secretary the Neban. I'm all who's secretary name. Na kakra me pesa mekanize. yɛbɛsrɛ aban ɛnyɛma nkɔ yie koraa o sɛ menua ɛmɛ yɛ pamisi ama wo sɛ ei sɛ deɛ kyɛ sɛ wotɔn hwee a yɛntɔ sika ni ɔman no mu na mebusa me ho sɛ aban wato koko akuafo yɛwɔ sɛ koko deɛ yɛ nyina obiara susɔ fam ɔba de bɔ brɛ nkɔma pɛn so nyinaa no koko sika baa na wo sɛ sista no ayɛ dɛ nkurɔfoɔ koko obi 50 bags obi 40 obi 30 na ɔsɔre a kyɛ sɛ deɛ obɛnya de atɔ aduane di kora wonya ka koko sika yi bɛ amonomonomono wo na wo a wontimi yɛ sɛ wanya biribi ama wase yɛnya amɔ no korɔ no since MDC part 1 part 2 part 3 part 4 abai wom sika mu dia to kokum me de me koko de miami obi ne rebusa yinim wom sika wom nyina ɛyɛ 7.3 na wutimi kote 11 million di film na wo 7 since from warrants the time in the warrants in Chakuna so na koko ne to bag for or 420 old Ghana city 46 and 2 cities and that's one for by over mass or the 50 cities straight betum ko 1 million. Thank
you. Hello, good morning. Ejirangwa Ashanti region 0548931931 0554931931 Ashanti region. Hello, good morning. Open your deal, baby. Good. And open your way.
Oka about electricity bills as you say.
Yeah.
Offer a more. I mean about home and a time or say and somehow. Offer so. They say yeah about way you know over or the electricity. Ghana for Oka is $1 platform. Oka is petrol platform. Over the so bit me the number is $1 petrol platform. Over they say electricity and I'm a talk 2024 between 1.5 of maybe nature by 1 month 2024 year old and then the same 1.5 and 3 days going after 2 days of they say you would so upon all that you know it's open quarter so doom so upon doom so you won't be that of they say every night is be a doom light the light of more every blessed day now they gonna say your man and I do 9 p.m. I just say, and I did change. There, 94 days, Saturday, no plan there. Almost to the 9 p.m. No, I did change 6 p.m. the Sunday morning, 6 evening, 6 p.m. and Sunday almost. Up and then, of course, or I say the Ghana will be at the Japan. And the Amamo Papa and no one year. Up at the second independence and no one year, but Papa no and no 1 year.
Well, I say, hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Obanyi mane so kakra ma me wadaroma.
Good morning, Obanyi.
Odini ba bia free.
Bacho, me free Oti region with the Solomon.
Yeah, mabo Oti region enche kra me duro Oti region se de me gina mu Ashanti region facha me. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Obanyi odini ba bia free.
Le femi achu, e ka se fish nyame.
Hey, achu ka fra me babuno region. Ye fa Ashanti me wiezi an ma ba why. Hello, good morning. Yenyina mu Ashanti region. Na ye free Ashanti region ye beba other region. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Open you din baby free.
I'm just saying Pampro.
Pampro etio.
We say we got Ade Tafo municipal money highway engineer na.
Tafo.
Tafo municipal.
Ade.
Oh,
semu.
Kwanu na dikiti so muni highway engineer ho dia.
Bela.
Kan ala no plan plan dia. Ade ye o directors also.
Medase pa. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Open you din ba bia free.
Umbe cross ma di no ngata free kuma tin share so.
Aku yeti ano pay.
Ala pe ma me chapa na ya mu abaso le gati agoban sha u bojuma. Na me chapa ya ba ko ti secretary for Ashanti region. Na me chia ona bu chikem asu Ashanti organizer ke no chu fa ma me chia no. Na o ye esema ma bu boso ano pe ya. Wo me ye timpa se sia pe. Se se nye sentre fo no mu biro ha. O mo ya amayefo le chi o mu ka. eti de ba bo ma no amenya kwa mi ya de so meka ho asem ta se opanyi no nya to marry abanda da le to marry hu se du se kan ya no mu se bi amai eti e dia na fu se ani e se nya ta problem no eti that kan no se ko do fine e no mo nwe e ne nya ta problem no e na question de no problem sa ho he ye tia abanda da le to no your man think another coffee me I tell you minister. You just a real hospital tomorrow you go piano. The general I got to say, there is more and I didn't know. And no be a to watch him. You can get the quite Katia, the best media clear, commonly and then that damn the position you and the position. You know be a lot to say and they can't watch them. But yet your mom nothing to me is that. Yes, you can go for the job. My mom calling him. Them on the bar. Yes, what don't go with the soap. Them on the bar. And you can do ya. You know me,
may that say ACAC. Thank you very much. Hello, good morning.
Yes, a red call for tomorrow.
Tobo. Maybe. Tobo. Abotre. Give Ashanti region. Yanko Greater Accra region. Greater Accra Eastern region. Greater Accra Eastern region. Yamfa honum edie. It you also how they say wo Greater Accra Eastern region 0551 931 931 0551 931 931 0548 931 931. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Oh, too bad. Went to mention so. Okay, Greater Accra Eastern region. At the end, ye jinain ti one more sa area hodo more my entemuka and sana lupleno up to a free ho to the next destination. Say Drew region na Ocha Ibabania. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir. Would anybody be free?
This is Johnson. I'm wearing a Pacific. Joining Quanta.
Our hang.
That NDC.
Our hang. Region Bayer.
Well, NDC, they're not here.
Region Bayer, I'll see NDC and cry and NDC and PPSM. Young dread your war or region many anchor and I pay NDC and PPSM. I draw that too. A fear that the BNDC and PPSM to quite an young fanya, you see a mountain and a dear how or area ho. Now you quiet any free hodum. Come. Aha. It's Greater Accra Eastern region. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Utio TV now, a bit difficult for you to hear me. Until the offer TV no, now we're low. Let you who phone him said you're no mark or no better. Come. Well, how do your bebasso TV no dear? And your voice in the bebasso. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
About Pardini baby are free.
Mr. Your friend, Mr. Mikaseti Accra.
Okay.
You will be the title. International Royal Studio. Missy Gota. I am Gota. We are no Gota. No food or empty and now floor. I got food better than main road. Insurance to me full. Area
near him. Boy,
title.
Guy top, okay.
If you want that dancing, title.
Okay.
And so I was saying, Sonny, don't shoot me. Almost in so no before. And see, I got to the day you fear and sooner your mom and your baby and boofer. And I'm not forced to connect your toilet. No, the other got
Teacher Kuba, but I can video send me. Why?
Show you.
My line be now what you see, so why? Yes, I'm training so baba. Why? And send training baba. Chiche Bikuba called and say, be to you. Tobia be to me quad my bremi who in the bugri, me, I'm a papa, me wouldn't call pass me to friend. Yammy, me, be your mamma, why? Be ready to agree. Oh, prison service. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Open you what our modini baby are free.
But from an idea, make us a free maziput.
Eh, Nana Fatchame, Medun crying. Fatchame. My yan is you do region a monfre, me do region and one free. Young call Bono East. Bono East and a half region. Bono East and a half region. That is my next destination. Bono region. And a half. Yes, sir. Aha, young far for. Enti mo free Bono na me se me ba mo ho no. Mo fanche me afei na madrum ho. Ye any region by region na so mo tra. O ma tro na kama. Na ye raw region ni ma ye hu se de ye bedim komo no se bibi koso so na ya. Na waka. Na I encourage other people. MPC ni bi won so ahyemi omu amomo se omu other colleagues ye ntia de na che se omu entimi nye. Enti mo nya ne sa agya da bia na ne bone ne so nko a. Enti Bono region sunyan ne importamo Bono East Techmai na afe ahafo go so mu sa area ho yeni kobo na say na mo kwan no nya kra nyame adom alaze boam gina so a oyeye areas ni bia kama enso hello good morning Dumo TV no hello odini baby afrefre o
me pacho ye friend Alaba me kaketi
Alaba me entie wa no pay
me pacho
Alaba Dumo TV netie yen
me pacho te light bay ye framework light bay and you know we do and we do and so over light bay about 1 minute and see when I was baby and my well, now it's clear. I know more light being there. And now to cool no more young as a little rat will be the cook. You the son by time when you do a talk. See that who have one a more
Yati Alaba. Thank you, Alaba. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Open in case you're doing baby Africa.
Oh, the same Osman 7.
Good, Osman.
Sompa.
Okay. Okay. Husband, I rang go for this one. Osman, okay. Okay, Osman, when she Medasi Osman. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir, opening.
I'm going to be in okay. I'm going to make us free at the
okay.
I'm going to problem my issue it's company queen.
Atebubu ni nyina na say area bi.
Atebubu ni nyina.
Kwame Nkwantabisa.
Enso compa se oba se ya. O yare a etini pa hapa osa tafu na msupa yi na mumti. Te srempini. Omumye mabo nombo dum yensu. Area bi wa ya fe no ya fro yin kongrumpi. O ko kura light pra enyina so. Transformer ba ko pe ene supply kurunu. Ntu chila ta half carrot o mo mi su ka kra kanzo enya lights ni atwisu etimi anya ayusu nti esrepin fo po mu ye mobo na esu ni light de mu nya mobo no mu nya adumpa esrepin fo
all right
esrepin fo
all right medase pa bomi wrap up a region ben ko oti region voter region ana central region meboa oti voter central okay east near the Koka a greater Accra more confused Kevin pa okay hello good morning
Hello, good morning.
Open you dini baby free
open kase Viviane Richard Abiu.
Good.
Now open kase unim adie pakwa ti e ha kene pa yi for. Omo nche no omo to no maji. Ezi o di kan yesu mo no e ha kene pa sefe. Ezi ye po mo chopa. Omo nche nto to sa no mani. Na ye pa chere aban se ye pa ne chow. Galana omo ka se gan galana nyai. It is so quite sure Ghana. Galam in Yai.
Okay, Mendasi. I think we are done with the regions, you know. Yeah, we regions, you know. But me for time now, can so any birthdays, you know, and free. A bim birthday, abedia, and then one more say, birthdays, wahane, yenye, and free ho, and mammo. Now, birthdays, you know, so a kind courtesy of Express Group. Express Group said to Quine. Na Quine na utu no kaina chance obeko Canada, obeko USA, obeko UK, obeko Australia, New Zealand. Express Group adaroma ana de woko. Enti Kumasi for monfa wani nchemu asaf labor roundabout and Carnation First Light. Tema Community 18 Lashibi Golf Filling Station. Yene Lashibi Funeral Home ne dia nimhwe. East Legon Trinity Theological Seminar. Takrade Market Circle opposite Hot Ernesto Fast Food. Nkumsa Pehokopa. Sunyane Silver House. Your court yene court na edi animhwe. Sanso na Tamale Formula Tamale Teaching Hospital. Baby any phone call court ho obehu yen. Na ya ba international exams no, ya ma tuition, ya registration, enti SAT, GRE, GMAT, TOEFL. Ninjina ye bi ho. Ope ticket ade bo ofo a ya range bi amount. Holidays ana wokwa Express Group. Anope bomodia na ko na Express Group for enshow. Sanso na Kingdom Herbal Center Daruma. The Kingdom Garlic Capsules no and bitters mame boosting immune system mani meme nyina no ma release you from stress, anxiety, arthritis, apostle, ohonam tutu, hypertension, stroke, heart disease, cholesterol, sadia dorewa. Ohia Kingdom Garlic Capsules and bitters adwuma say Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules yema mema no sexual weakness usisi na ya mental stress yini nyina every ho e dia ma wo na fe tremendous capsules almighty emano agbaji so odo bia sent bia free ho STI yade achichu bia infection bia take free ho esiesi ahemfie o ma ahemfie ne kama angasa aropa yanya birthdays no yeram. Happy birthday, Ankwama Ra Ben Kruvi or Nadmo. Happy birthday, Sunyani East, Udrua NDC, organizer, Organa Bakupe. Happy birthday, Ben. Yamin Shaw no nyoke se. Yamin from Fra Dumu kwa Dumu. Na Yamin nyoke se pa, Sabofu. Yamin nyoke se pa, Ben, Wakuma Penti. Yamin Shaw no nyoke se pa. Happy birthday. Ben Papa, enjoy this moment. I think so. Birthday will come Stephanie. Oh, a free year. About Steph. And I will down for him. Happy birthday. A stranger may say, almost send you a smile. No, any more man smile, sir. Happy birthday to you. Way every Unisex saw Anna Eba. Unisex of Sompa TV. Or Bajuma Wadri. No one that say, oh, professor. You say, Oma official Pamo Awadapa. Happy birthday, Stephanie. One about trouble. Sir, and so na Curtis Kunedu. Curtis, happy birthday to you, champ. Enjoy this amazing time. Curtis in here, yes, guy. Says Kabe Brene Quatentenia Pom de Mount. Curtis, happy birthday to you. Sir, so and your birthday, Ophelia Amea. Mami Ofi Papa B, happy birthday, yes. Cake na gumzano. Yes, nyame ma de na emra wa brabom. Said the cake ya there sugar won bibia wo no. Nyame ma wa brabo no nye mixture of ade nko a. Awofe, o said ya de nto aso nkoso sa. And your happy birthday, and your birthday. Come on here, come to happy birthday ma. Ophelia, happy birthday, enjoy your day. Mon contem. Happy birthday to Erica. Sister Erica, happy birthday to you. Today is your birthday. We ask for God's blessing, protection. Yame mo akuma so ade nyina amremu. Yame enfomfra dumu kwa dumu. Yame mo akwatenti apomdin wom. Happy birthday, Sister Erica. Enjoy your day. Sasana Dr. Collins Saki. Doctor, Doc, happy birthday to you, Dr. Collins. And then one day you say nyame mobro hu ne dom amount. You say nyame say, o man ya kwese kwapem se oba ya kwese pa. We every abisa kese heba. Abasa kese heba. Abasa oh dog. Dr. Collins. Oh fine. Dog, o wa kese ni nyina ase. O mama happy birthday. Oh yeah, Juma wo abasa kese heba. Enti ene happy birthday. We every Techman Bandrin you Tech team man. Happy birthday, dog. Dr. Collins. Nya mema wakuma penti inshane noso. Dr. Techman. Happy birthday to you, Dr. Collins Sechi Papa dog. Enjoy your day. Ada we so Kwame Barbara. Our wife Barbara, happy birthday. Swagger obi. I fe ho. Just a guy no ho. Bibia Barbara Bercho. Yes, happy birthday, Barbara. We every Ukunu Victor ho. Also do. Enjoy this special day, Junior. Yes, so do Jake Munina. Busianina so do. Happy birthday, Mrs. Enjoy this beautiful time. On that note, Nipa Baby. Ocha wadria so a ojibuo. 21st Adarubenti Ocha Siatica Miami and 120. And not pay my crown na my sorry. Your friend na Kwame Nkwantabisa. Amanfo Nkwantabisa nie. Sa ase na Barbara executive producer for the show. Kevin mu giram gidi.